Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. And right now, we're just doing a little practice video. We're going to start off with 200, okay? And we're just going to, let's try and make this 200 grow. Got my dice out already, and let's just start. Why not? This is going to be a $10 table, so we're just going to start with 15 real quick. Do 10 there. I should have started out with some ones, right?
So let's roll up our sleeves and get right to it.
Sixers. 1-5.
The point is,
so we'll do I'm sorry. We'll do 18 and the 8. And let's do that. Let's do the comeback. Play the comeback. Forward, 2-2, little ballerina.
and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna dance all over you, you scumbag.
Now let's do the. Yeah, let's just keep it at that. Forward. I felt it. That's why I played that.
That's 4. Keep him coming.
Okay. Little Joe back to back. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that 6? Oh, 7 out. Out.
You lose! Good day, sir!
All right. Throw that quarterback up on there. Let's do here we go. We have 20 on the field. And play that 3-way right there. What are my hot bets? My hot 7s. You know what? I'll leave them out. Well, you know what? I'll bring them out. I'll put out the hop 7s, but I'm not going to play them right now. There we go. Those are my hot bets. Aces, both places. Good time to play that.
We got 2 geniuses here!
That's going to be double, so that's going to be 40. And that's going to be 150. Alright, so why did I do that? Okay. Should have got in on that. Now I'm gonna hop the 7s. Forward.
And that's the point, right?
So now you come out, little Joe. The 4. Let's just play the hard way. We're gonna put 60 on the 6 and 60 on the 4. I mean 60 on the 6, 60 on the 8. Excuse me. Yeah, man, try and get that, try and get these numbers, baby. And 7 outs. Ooh. I knew it. Hey, you can't win them all.
What an idiot!
Can't win them all.
Oh, what a loser! Good!
Sometimes you gotta go for glory, man. You just gotta go for glory.
Get out while you can. Don't get this sucker no statue. Give him guts. I told you I wasn't going away. You got your shot. Now give me mine.
Oops, excuse me. There we go. Let's do it, baby. Come on, let's make that money back.
Anything that I can do to get this money.
Saying about my kitten looking at me. 8. Oh. Tough break. Chocolate cake 8. No field.
Bow. Yeah, and I guess that's the point.
Play that hard 8. Come on. Nine, Nina.
Right, the number 9.
You may as well. We all learn.
All right, we're all in.
Let's do the comeback. Actually, you know what? No, let's do the confident in that. At least if that hits. I want something out of here. Something out of here. 6. Ooh. That's what I should have played.
I ran your credit score. It's like a 6.
Come on, 8. Oh, why did I take that out? Oh, where you at? There we go. Come on. Hard 8. Aces, both places. Wow. Now you come through, right? Now you come through.
Silence number 2.
You're wrong for that one. Wrong. Sixers. 2 trays. Scottie Pippen.
You said what?
I said, can we make it 6?
Aces, both places again. You know, this is just eating me up inside right now.
Aces high or low? They go both ways.
Have you ever had a number that constantly hit and you just weren't playing it? Comment down below, please. We all do it. 6.
Jerry has RSVP'd 6 times.
Fever.
You love me.
5.
5?
Yeah, 5 inches deep in your bum.
I hope you guys are making money. Started off with a $200 bankroll for practice. We gotta hit this hard 8. Hard 6. Hard 6.
The 6 again.
Hard 10. Puppy paws. Puppy paws.
Puppy. Popped his puppy paws out of his puppy house.
Ooh. 6. 6516.
Another one?
I'm so mad at myself right now. Like I said, I'm just besides myself. That's 6. Ugh. 4. 4. Little Joe.
4!
You're out there betting on that all tall small. Need that 3. And 7 out.
You're done. Nice knowing you. Thanks for coming. Get out of here.
Alright. Can't win them all. I hope you won something from that. And until next time, take care of your waitresses. Look out for the dealers. Look out for yourself. Have a 50 roll day.